Find the shaded area. O is the centre of the circle. So what we've got here is a circle and another circle which has the diameter the same width as the radius of the larger circle. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. So if O is the centre of the circle, the large circle that is, then the radius of the large circle will be 8. The radius of the smaller circle will be 8 divided by 2, because what you've got here, you've got the diameter of the smaller circle. We really need the radius for the formula here. So that will be 8 divided by 2, which is 4. Therefore, the shaded area will be the area of the large circle minus the area of the small circle. So the area of the large circle is going to be pi times 8 squared, because that has a radius of 8. The area of the small circle will be pi times 4 squared. 8 squared is 64, so we get 6. So pi times 8 squared is 64, so we get 64 pi minus pi times 4 squared. 4 squared is 16 pi. 64 minus 16 is 48, and then we've got 48 times pi. On a calculator, 48 pi is 150.796. That 7 will make that 0, 1. So we get a final answer of 151 units squared to 3 significant figures. Okay, so this has been the video to show you how to find the shaded area, which is a shaded area of a circle which has a smaller circle in it, and the diameter of the smaller circle is the same as the radius of the larger circle. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.